A good chisel set allows you to make your wood crafting experience smooth and effective without much effort. However, if you are buying wood chisels for the first time, it can be an overwhelming task for you. As there are a variety of wood chisels available in the market, you might end up buying the wrong one considering your unique needs. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best wood chisel from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. GREBSTK Professional Chisel. The GREBSTK Professional Wood Chisel Toolset comprises 4 chisels of varying sizes: 1/4 inch, a half inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch, ideal for wood trimming. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or a novice, this set ensures excellent woodworking results. Crafted from vanadium steel, these chisels offer enduring toughness and resistance to rust. Their sharp blades effortlessly handle tasks, while the comfortable beechwood handles enhance control. The set is conveniently packed in top-grade craft paper packaging and includes a zippered bag for portability. Additionally, individual caps for each blade ensure safety after use. Number 2. Hurricane 4 Pieces Chisel. The Hurricane 4 Pieces Wood Chisel set is versatile and suitable for all wood types, featuring sizes of 1/4 inch, a half inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch. Constructed from high-quality vanadium and chromium alloy steel with lacquer coating, these chisels boast longevity and rust resistance. The heat-treated bevel edge design ensures sharpness and effectiveness. Colored and transparent PVC handles provide a comfortable grip for optimal results. Full-length guards for each blade offer safe storage, catering to carpenters' needs. Number 3. Spec Ops High Carbon Wooden Chisel. Upgrade your woodworking experience with the Spec Ops High Carbon Wooden Chisel, crafted for precision and durability. Made from high-carbon steel, these chisels promise longevity and precision cutting, facilitating intricate detail work. The wooden handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue and providing excellent control for precise cuts. Number 4. WorkPro 3-Piece Chisel. The WorkPro 3-Piece Chisel set is designed for multi-purpose wood crafting on various wood types. Chromium vanadium material ensures blade strength and durability, while the heat-treated bevel edge design enhances edge retention and efficiency. Ergonomic biomaterial handles offer comfortable operation, and steel hard strike caps withstand heavy pounding. Full-length blade guards ensure safe storage. Number 4. WorkPro 3-Piece Chisel. The WorkPro 3-Piece Chisel set is ideal for multi-purpose wood crafting on hard, soft, and laminated wood products. Thanks to its chromium vanadium material, the blades are strong and durable. In addition, the heat-treated bevel edge design of the tools provides extra edge retention and efficiency while using the wood chisel. The tool set comes with 3 different sized blades, including a half inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch. You can efficiently operate the tools with a comfortable handle built using specialized ergonomic biomaterial. Moreover, each chisel has a hard strike cap made from steel which can easily withstand some heavy pounding. For the safe organization of tools, a full-length blade guard is provided for each tool. Number 5. Rexperti 10PC Premium Chisel. The Rexperti 10PC Premium Chisel set is perfect for both beginners and professionals. Crafted from chromium and vanadium alloy steel, these chisels resist bending and offer durability. Heat-treated narrow-side bevels enhance edge retention and sharpness, while the comfortable grip ensures effortless crafting. The kit includes a honing guide, carpenter pencils, wood chisels, and a sharpening stone for superior crafting. With 6 different chisel sizes and a blow-molded case for safety and organization, this set is a versatile and convenient choice. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. If you want to know the product price, please do check my description for any kind of problem, and please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.